Namaste to all Kokoli family members. My warm welcome to the 6th International Granular Water Soluble Fertilizer Kokoli. Hi, good morning to everybody. And this is Rashekar Reddy, Pratibha Biotech from India. My hearty congratulations to Shandong Kokoli Fertilizers for its celebration of 6th International Granular Water Soluble Fertilizer Kokoli. I have participated in the 4th summit, but for this 6th summit, I am unable to attend because of this pandemic. That's why I would like to reach you through this video and hearty welcome to the 6th International Granular Water Soluble Fertilizer Kokoli. And I'm really happy by having a good relation with Shandong Kokoli Fertilizers and its representative, Mr. Sun, and International Marketing Manager, Miss Annie. They are cooperating very well and supporting me to establish Kokoli in India in a huge way. The Kokoli fertilizer is an amazing fertilizer and the first foremost water-soluble granular fertilizer which is doing a magical performance in the fields. Now in India, we are promoting Kokoli in a huge way by using all levels of promotional activities at ground level. We have around 600 field workers who are working in the ground level in the fields. All of them are working on Kokoli and they are promoting Kokoli at ground level. They are reaching farmers and they are explaining how it brings a magical change in the soil. Now Kokoli is the talk of India. Hope within 2-3 years, Kokoli will be the foremost and the first highest selling fertilizer will be in India. I am proud of Mr. Sun for giving me a best and foremost water soluble granular fertilizer Kokoli to market in India. We got exclusive MOU with Mr. Sun in 2018. This is our second season. We are trying to reach out the farmers in a special way to establish Kokoli brand in India. Now all of our team members are working on Kokoli only, and the Kokoli is the first priority for Pratibha Biotech. So many farmers are coming forward and asking for Kokoli at our dealer points. Why? Because we are doing huge demonstrations in the fields, almost every year, thousands of demonstrations about Kokoli in field level. And we are getting very good results about Kokoli, and we are showing the results every time, hundreds of farmers, how Kokoli is working. And the wonderful thing we got in these 2 years is the farmers who are using Kokoli consequently 2 to 3 times, they are saying that we are using very less fungicides after using Kokoli 2-3 times. I am really shocked how a water-soluble granular fertilizer decreasing diseases in the crops. Finally, I got the information why the farmer is using very less fungicides after using Kokoli. Mean the helpful microbes which are in the soil, they need carbon, they need pH level 7, they need oxygen. After using Kokoli, all the soil climate is changing to this, up to the level. When the farmer used Kokoli, the soil carbon level will be increasing and the pH level neutralizing up to 7. When these two factors maintain, oxygen enters the soil. Then the helpful microbes to the plants automatically they regenerate their population and the population of the microbes will be increased up to optimum level. So then the diseases which are occurring in the crops are coming less and less by using Kokoli twice and thrice in the soil. Really, it's indirectly working as a fungicide also. It's not directly, but it's a supporting fungicide. That too, the Shandong Kokoli fertilizer is giving Bacillus subtilis and Bacillus cereus in the Kokoli fertilizer. These two also supporting in controlling the diseases. We are promoting Kokoli in so many ways. The main thing is by field force, conducting a huge number of demonstrations, and the other one is giving advertisements in electronic media. Now almost 5 to 6 electronic medias giving our advertisement about Kokoli every day in the season. And recently we started a YouTube channel, Annapurna AgriSpace, exclusively to share agriculture information to the farmers and to give complete information about our company and about our Kokoli. We have taken a step forward to advertise Kokoli in our own YouTube channel, Annapurna AgriSpace. During this pandemic, with the support of Shandong Kokoli Fertilizers and our own team, we sold over around 2,000 metric tons till now, and hoping that we can reach 3,000 metric tons by the end of this season. And we are looking forward to work with you more in the future. Thank you, Mr. Sun and Miss Annie, for giving me this opportunity to work with you and to reach all our Kokoli family members at this occasion. I wish all the best to everyone in the Kokoli family. Thank you.